Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Today, Apple made consumers purchase Shiba Inu Shib News. With the introduction of its brand new Layer 2 scaling solution, Shibarium, Shiba Inu is poised to dominate the cryptocurrency market. Shibarium's debut has been anticipated throughout the most of 2022. The Shib community is now receiving updates from developers on the upcoming action to watch for. This video will discuss Apple's 4 recent purchases of Shiba Inu Shib News. To see our most recent Shiba Inu videos, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Unification and Shib are collaborating to harmonize data, according to a recent tweet from Ringo Satoshi, the owner of Fund Rio Mining and validator on the Unification main chain. In response to a Twitter user who insisted on receiving a precise date for the public beta testnet launch, Twitsa also provided more details on when to anticipate the launch. To have Shibarium released, the Unification and Shib teams are working constantly. There is no precise date given, and it would go against my principles to give one without any convincing supporting documentation. Given the latest GitHub revisions, he said, the best we can do is speculate. However, Shib BPP, a Shib influencer, has stated that the beta testing will occur immediately following the documentation process, which is the developer's next priority. A Shibarium announcement section has been added to the official Shiba token community on, he also said. While waiting, engineers took the time to address any questions about the change via the Shibarium network's official Twitter account. Shibarium is the only token chosen by developers for usage and gas fees, according to developers. The use of the protocol won't require the use of any more tokens, they added. Furthermore, allegations that Shibarium is being created for other tokens have been refuted by developers. To be very clear, they added, Shibarium has been created for the Shib token and not for the benefit of other projects that contend to be the owners of Shib or for speculation over its usability and independence from any other tokens. Developers reaffirmed in another tweet that the Shib community and its strong foundation alone are responsible for the Layer 2 scalability evolution. Shiba Inu's and its expansion would always be supported by Shibarium, they added. Since its release in August 2020, Shiba Inu's price has appreciated commendably. Since then, the memecoin has been compared to other coins including Dogecoin, one of the oldest memecoins available. Shib's most expensive price to date is $0.86. Shib reached this cost on October 18 and depreciated to $0.84 since then. With the introduction of Shibarium, the network is anticipated to become scalable, which can aid Shib in gaining greater traction in the market. Shiba Inu prices could grow to $10 this year, according to some analysts, but in the near term, some forecast a 30% increase before the end of January. Since the collapse of the Terra environment in May of this year, the price of Shiba Inu has decreased by almost 65%. The now-defunct cryptocurrency exchange FTX had a negative effect on the Shiba Inu coin as well. The Shiba Inu coin has had trouble performing effectively despite its efforts to create a complete ecosystem that consists of blockchain games, NFTs, and a metaverse platform. About 90% of its previous peak price has been gone. The most active crypto community on Twitter, though, is still upbeat about the K9 coin's future. Community involvement is essential to Shib's development. The community has consistently supported the expansion of Shib, whether they have demanded that it be included on Robinhood or that it be accepted as payment at McDonald's. In addition, a sizable NFT artist community has settled there, emphasizing the Shiba Inu breed in their paintings rather than simply ignoring the hoopla. Ben Castling, head of research and strategy at AX, stressed the significance of understanding that what we are witnessing is the vast migration of traders new to cryptocurrency entering this phase. He also said that since Shibcoin uses the Ethereum platform, it embraces its status as a meme coin. It uses the proof-of-work consensus process at the moment, and will switch to the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism in the future. The currency's growth will undoubtedly be impacted by the imminent Ethereum 20 changeover. According to a Changelly blog post, experts' predictions for SHIB prices range from $0.4183 to 50 cents $48 after researching market swings in SHIB pricing. Its estimated potential return on investment for the aforementioned year is 322%, with its average price continuing at $0.4335. Following a 0.60% gain on Friday, Shiba Inu coin prices increased by 0.12% on Saturday. At day's end, SHIB was worth $0.843. SHIB avoided a negative $80 point for the sixth session in a row. SHIB rose to an early high of $0.871 at the day's bullish beginning before going backward. SHIB overcame both the first and second big resistance levels, which were located at $0.855 and $0.869, respectively. SHIB dropped to a late afternoon low of $0.837 following the reversal. SHIB recovered after avoiding the first significant support level, or S1 at $0.822, to finish the day in the green. Shiba Inu, the second largest decentralized meme token, is now available for purchase via an additional option added in the most recent update of the top cryptocurrency exchange. In 2022, the exchange's cryptocurrency purchase system will support both Google Pay and Apple Pay as payment methods. Update on Binance Build. The company tweeted in 2022 that easy cryptocurrency purchases on Binance could now be made with Apple Pay and Google Pay. Members of the Shiba Inu community and other cryptocurrency aficionados can now easily purchase SHIBs using any of these well-known payment methods thanks to the launch of this cutting-edge feature. Notably, Google Pay is a popular mobile payment platform created by Google to provide contactless in-app, internet, and offline payments on mobile devices. Users of the payment service can use their Android watches, tablets, or phones to make purchases. However, Apple Incorporated has developed a mobile payment system called Apple Pay. It enables users with compatible devices to pay in person, through iOS apps, and online. According to the release, these two payment methods are only accessible to Binance customers in nations that accept Google Pay and Apple Pay. Although some customers have used these extra payment options to complete transactions, some users have complained. Following Ox's debut of flexible staking for Shiba Inu, Finance, the largest digital asset market by 24-hour trading volume, announced this positive development. Notably, Shiba Inu holders can invest as little as one SHIB token, and the APY for SHIB flexible staking on Ox is 2.5%. Then, within a 24-hour period, whales were observed migrating about 5.7 trillion SHIB. Shiba Inu will be a more dominant force after Shibarium and the Metaverse project are fully operational than it was in 2021, when it recorded huge advances. There isn't an obvious cause for Shiba Inu to soar, however even these endeavors can make it stand out from the competition. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency's creators have announced an intriguing event with the Bugatti Group. Both sides have been coy about what customers may anticipate, although a promotional film hints that it will be a line of handbags with Shiba Inu themes. The Bugatti Group is a business that specializes in developing, producing, and marketing accessories, purses, and luggage. It has been in existence since the 1940s and offers superb designs and top-notch materials. The corporation just unveiled its own line of non-fungible tokens, riding the enthusiasm wave. The initiative debuted the Bugatti Group Genesis NFT collection, whose owners enjoy advantages like access to private social media channels and price breaks on subsequent drops and per-purchase sales. Without a doubt, Shiba Inu has enjoyed great success. You still have time to purchase the Shiba Inu token before it's too late because the demand for the token doesn't appear to be slowing down anytime soon. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.